Well, hello everybody. Today is an unboxing. Been waiting for a while for the parts to come from Germany, the last lot I bought. They got stuck in Frankfurt for a while at the airport. Don't know why. But the important thing is they're here today. So this will be a bit of an unboxing. So yeah, we'll see what treasures I ordered, okay? Alright, here we go. Oh, beautiful. Earth strap. Oh, that's very nice. These are some springs he sent me for the master cylinder. Oh, that's kind of him. He sent me 3. Wow. I must say thank you to him. Well, thank you, Uber, if you ever watched one of his videos. That's very kind. Put that down. Oh, now, here we go. So, because the hubcaps I did have and sent off to electroplaters to get done, apparently are trashed. So I ordered new ones, which look pretty darn good. Look at that. Oops. Nothing wrong with that, is there? That's not nice, actually. Very nice. Oh no, put you back in there. There we go. 1, should be 4. 2, 3, 4. The next effort is going to be finding where to put all these things on the shelf. We've got here a bit of paper. Let's have another dig. Oh, here we go. Oh, well packaged. Trusty picking knife. Use for grapes, picking, other things. Here we go, another box of treasures. Oh, beautiful. Now here's the backs of some lights. There's a couple of spares, which is brilliant. Look at that. That's great. Engine mount, 1. These are springs for in the brakes. That was a bit crusty. 2, 3 engine mounts. Awesome. Just double checking nothing in there. What else we got here? This is, what did I order here? Frick, I remember half the stuff I ordered. Oh, yes. A couple of condensers. A brake sensor. Some washers that for the front hubs. What do they call that thing? Oh, it's a funny German name, something Jugelflugel, whatever. That goes at the end of the cowling which goes over the engine, and it's got a spot there for the cables to go through. So yes. Oh, another one of these, which is brilliant. This goes on, helps hold the front suspension. The one I've got, it's a bit mangled. Nice to have a better shaped one. I've got 2 F straps. I only ordered 1. I was ordered 2. That's odd. Oh well. Won't hurt to have a spare. Oh, I did order 2. That's right, because I wanted one for the test bench. ignition. Original keys too. Fantastic. Put you back in there, baby. Oh, this is it's for a door. Rubber. Look at my list. What I ordered that for. Oh, brilliant! These are to hold the trim on. I don't need them really for the Dart now because I've done that. But just thought, because they're an unusual thing, you see, look, they I suppose I could ground some down, but I just thought get the originals. You can see, so it's got this funny shape, and that's the aluminium trim slides onto that. So you never know, you might never be able to get these in the future, so I've got a whole packet of them. I'll put them in a special box. Occasionally I need them. Ah, here we go. This is the knob for the handbrake. Oh, another Goggomobil sign. This one to go on the other side of the Dart. I was only going to put one on, but my very good and dear friend John said there should be one on either side, so I'll have to measure up the other side and try and get it in the same spot as I have the other one. Interesting though, with these, there's they're pretty small posts, as you can see. So what I did with the last one, because it doesn't protrude through the aluminium far enough, through the body, through the fiberglass far enough, I actually glued it in, because sometimes they're like a little thing that presses on the back that helps hold them in, but I find that they're not really long enough. So anyway, that's great. Getting to the these are the little things that go on the end. I just cap it off, but as I said, they're not really long enough. These ones might be, but I find gluing's a good idea. And this one, theoretically, if my memory is correct, should be get open the door handle on the back. Yep, with a key, and that's what this is for. There we go. That goes in with that. That is the rubber for around that, because the Dart doesn't have that, but it has now. Awesome. So that is that, folks. That's all the presents. But again, great to get these. These are hard to get, these springs, and he's actually sent me 3, which is all slightly different. Slightly different lengths. So isn't that wonderful? So very, very kind of Uber. He's a nice man. And this is a lot. You wouldn't believe it. There's a few Australian dollars, about 1,000 of them, but you know, it's all needed and good to have. Kangelfugel or something this is called. Yeah, so there we are, folks. That's all the treasures unpacked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And look, in the bottom of the box, surprise gift. Next year's calendar with pictures of Goggomobils in races. Look at that, hill climbing or whatever. Fantastic. So that's a nice little free gift, and information, of course, in German, which helps me not. But it looks like the program for next year's 70th anniversary of Goggomobil in Dungoffen, and a parts order as well. Well, look at that. So that's something to translate. But we're going next year to that, so we can't wait. That'd be fantastic. All right, that's it.